Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove a music from your Instagram post, but before that make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and start our video. For that purpose, let's go ahead and open our Instagram app first, and let's go ahead, go to this plus, tap on this plus icon, and let's post a picture. So let's say this is the picture that you want to post. Tap on this icon, blue arrow. Now again tap on this music option. Let's see, we got this music, we tapped on it, it shows we got this music. Tap on this done option and tap on this icon over here. It's processing. We can simply go again, tap on this icon, and our post is post, right? So we will refresh our feed once, and you can see this particular post is over here. So if you want to delete this particular song, remove the song from this post, even if you tap on this three dot icon, we do not have any option. Even if we tap on this edit option, we can edit the the caption that we will be adding over here. We cannot edit. We can tag people, we can add location, but we don't have any other option for the song. So for that purpose, what we can do is we can either turn off the song for the purpose, otherwise we will either have the option of this, again tapping on three dot icon, tapping on the delete option, and deleting our particular post with the song included. So if we want to restore our photo, we can do it from our recycle bin of our Instagram. We can do it, but we do not have an option of just editing or removing our song from our done post from Instagram. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.